The Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport is a true legend in the world of performance cars. Blending the power of the Corvette Stingray with the aerodynamic and handling upgrades of the Z06, this beast is built for those who crave speed and precision on the road. But what makes the Grand Sport stand out? Let's dive into its origins, performance, and why it continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. The Grand Sport traces its roots back to the 1960s when Chevrolet engineer Zora Arkus Duntov envisioned a lightweight, race-ready Corvette to dominate endurance racing. Though only a handful were built due to racing restrictions at the time, the Grand Sport legacy was revived in 1996 and has since become one of the most celebrated Corvette variants. Designed for track-inspired performance, it bridges the gap between the standard Corvette and the extreme Z06. When it comes to global popularity, the United States is by far the biggest market for the Corvette Grand Sport. However, its appeal has spread internationally, with strong sales in Canada, Europe, and parts of the Middle East. Enthusiasts in countries like Germany and the UK appreciate its American muscle heritage combined with refined handling. The Corvette Grand Sport is also a favorite in racing communities, proving its capabilities on circuits worldwide. Performance is where the Grand Sport truly shines. Under the hood, it boasts a naturally aspirated 6.2 LLT1 V8 engine producing 460 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain, combined with a lightweight aluminum frame and magnetic ride control, allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.6 seconds. Whether on the track or the open road, the Grand Sport delivers razor-sharp handling, thanks to its wider tires, upgraded suspension, and aerodynamic enhancements borrowed from the Z06. Despite its high-performance nature, the Corvette Grand Sport maintains decent fuel efficiency for a sports car. With an EPA rating of around 16 mpg in the city and up to 25 mpg on the highway, it balances power with practicality better than many of its competitors. Capability-wise, this car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's designed to corner like a race car. The Grand Sport features a performance exhaust system, an electronic limited-slip differential, and Brembo brakes for exceptional stopping power. Whether carving through mountain roads or dominating the track, its dynamic capabilities make every drive an exhilarating experience. Key features include a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available heads-up display for real-time performance data. The Grand Sport also offers various driving modes, from Tour to Track, allowing drivers to tailor their experience to their preferences. Pricing for the Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport varies depending on the trim and options, but it typically starts around $65,000 to $70,000. Compared to European sports cars with similar performance, the Grand Sport offers incredible value, making it one of the best choices in its class. The biggest selling point of the Corvette Grand Sport is its perfect balance of power, handling, and affordability. It gives drivers a race-inspired experience without the extreme price tag of exotic supercars. With its striking design, impressive track capabilities, and daily drivability, the Grand Sport remains one of the most well-rounded performance cars on the market. If you're looking for a sports car that delivers excitement, precision, and unbeatable value, the Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport is a top contender. What do you think about this legendary machine? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Brand Car for more exciting car reviews and insights. See you in the next video.